sobrang excellent. Very friendly and approachable.
Very accommodating sa
Number one, aesthetically, yung mga houses, very modernly designed. I think isa yun sa mga big appeal talagang nakita namin here. Also, when we arrived here, it was really explained to us na yung plans for the Anyan project, for the property. So, very naman siya, promising. And as well as, mukhang maseto na rin. Another thing is, yung in terms of the houses that they have, marami namang options. But specifically, we pick Sydney kasi it looks like ito yung maging namin or pasok siya sa sa goals namin sa buhay, which is to start family and such.
Another is yung security. Kasi we noticed na very hands-on sila regarding security.
Sobrang excellent. One step, nandun siya, always helping us in, and very friendly and approachable.
Very accommodating sa circle.
And yung so far, parang all of the details naman na explain niya fully to us, which really helps us into picking it.